everyone, welcome to Maths Friendly. In today's class, we will do question number 9 of exercise 3.5 from 6th class Maths NCERT book from chapter number 3, which is playing with numbers. The question is, in which of the following expressions prime factorization has been done? So here are 4 expressions A, B, C and D, and we have to find in which of these expressions prime factorization has been done. So you must know what is prime factorization. Okay, this question might appear to you a difficult one, but I will explain it very clearly and very easily, and I will explain all the terms and all the concepts related to this question so that you can understand it very clearly, right? So let's do the solution and understand all the concepts related to this. Okay, so we have to, in which of the following expression prime factorization has been done. So we have to find in which of the following expressions prime factorization has been done, right? So let me explain it from the very basic. 24. Okay, so if I write it 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus, 10 plus 10 plus 4, what I did, I have written this number as a sum of 3 numbers, right? We say it like that. This 24 is expressed as a sum of 3 numbers, right? Now if I write 24 as 6 4s are 24, what will I say? That I have written 24 as a product of 2 numbers, or I can say that 24 is expressed in terms of its factor, as a product of its factors. Okay, 24 is expressed as a product of its factors, right? Or 24 can also be written as 8 3s are 24. So here 24 is expressed as a product of its factors, as a or a product of 2 numbers, or these 2 numbers are the factors of 24. So 24 is expressed as a product of these, as a product of its factors. Means when the factors are multiplied, we get the number. Okay, here 6 and 4 are the factors of 24. When we multiply 6 and 4, we get 24. Here 24 is expressed as a product of its factor. Here also 24 is expressed as a product of its factors, right? And here 24 is expressed as a sum of 3 numbers, right? And here 24 is expressed as a product of 2 numbers, or we can say that 24 is expressed or written as a product of its factors, because 6 and 4 are its factors. We already know what are factors. Factors are the numbers which divide the number exactly, because 4 divides 24 exactly, 6 divides 24 exactly. So 6 and 4 are the factors of 24. 8 also divides 24 exactly, 3 also divides 24 exactly. So 3 and 8 are also the factors of 24. Okay, so what we can say, that 24 is written as a product of its factors. But here in the question there is prime factorization, right? Here we have just talked about the factors of a number. But how do we prime factorize? So how to prime factorize 24? Here we have just factorized 24, means we have broken 24 into its factors, right? In the terms of its fact. But how to prime factorize 24? See, I will explain you with one example and you will understand with all the other examples. Okay, so now how to prime factorize 24? Means here these 2 are the factors of 24. Okay, these are the ordinary factors of 24, and what in prime factorization what we will do, we will find the prime factors of 24. So to find the prime factors of 24, we have to see these all are the factors of 24. Okay, but these are not, these 2 are not the prime numbers. But when we prime factorize a number, the factors should be the prime numbers. Okay, means the 2 numbers which should come here, or the 3 numbers, right? Because see, 24 can also be expressed as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, right? So 24 is expressed as a product of 3 numbers, or 24 is expressed as a product of its 3 factors, right? But are all these factors the prime number? When the factors are prime numbers, we can say that the number has been prime factorized. Here here the number is only factorized, 24 is only factorized. We have factorized 24, but in the prime factorization of any number, the factors should be the prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. There will be many more prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers? The prime numbers are these 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So the numbers which have only two factors, or the numbers which are divisible by only one and itself are the prime numbers. Prime numbers are what? They will be only divisible by 1 and the number itself. Means 1 will be only divisible by 1 and 2, 3 will be only divisible by 1 and 3, 5 will be only divisible by 5 and 1. Like that, 13 is also a prime number, so it will be only divisible by 1 and 13, right? 13 will only be divisible by 1 and 13, right? But 14 is not a prime number, so it will be divisible by 1, 2, okay, 7, sorry, 1, 2, 7, 14, okay, like that. But prime numbers are only divisible by 1 and the number itself. Prime number is only divisible by 1 and the number itself. So you have understood what is prime number now. So when we do the prime factorization of any number, we break the number into its prime factors. Okay, so the factors here will be the prime numbers. When the prime numbers are the only factors, we say that the number is prime factorized, or we have prime factorized the number, or the prime factorization of the number has been done. Okay, so now you have understood. So what should come here? The prime numbers should come on either 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 or 13, or the other prime numbers can come. When those numbers will come in the factorization of any number, then we say that the number is prime factorized. We have done the prime factorization of the numbers because we have broke the number into its prime factors. Okay, so let us see. 24 is written as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. So 2 3 6, 6 4 24. Yes, the number is factorized. But are the factors, see, these are the factors of 24. Are all the factors the prime numbers? No, 4 is not the prime number. It means this number is not prime factorized. Prime factorization of this number is not done because all the factors are not prime numbers. 4 is not a prime number, right? 4 is a composite number. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. See, I have written here prime numbers. Prime numbers. Okay, so prime numbers. Here 4 is not a prime number, so 24 is not prime factorized, or we have not done the prime factorization of 24. Okay, now so it's not done. Prime factorization of 24 is not done because the factors 2 and 3 are only prime, but 4 is not the prime number. Understood? Now see 56. 56 is written as 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Means 7 to the 14, right? Or 14 to the 28 and 28 to the 56. So 56 is factorized because it is broken into its factors. Are all the factors prime numbers? Yes, 7 is a prime number and 2 is also prime number. So 56 is prime factorized because we have broken the number, we have broken 56 into its prime factors, means prime factorization of 56 is done. Okay, now 70. 70 is also written in terms of its factors. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. 2 5 is a 10, 10 7 is 70. Okay, are all the factors prime numbers? Yes, 2, 5 and 7 all are prime numbers. So we have done the prime factorization of 70. Understood? Now comes 54. 54 is written as 2 multiplied by 3. 2 3 is a 6. 6 9 is a 54. Okay. So 6 9 is a 54. It means this number is factorized and all the factors, are all the factors prime numbers? No. 2 and 3 are prime numbers, but 9 is not the prime number. Okay, 9 is not the prime number. See, it doesn't come in the prime numbers list. It's a composite number. Right? Its factors are more than 2. 1 and itself are the factors of prime numbers, but 9 has more than 2 factors. See, 1, 3 and 9. 9 is divisible by these 3 numbers, so 9 is not a prime number, it's a composite number. It means 54 is not prime factorized because the factors which we are getting are not all prime numbers. 2 and 3 are primes, but 2 and 3 are prime numbers, but 9 is not a prime number. So 54 is not prime factorized, or we have not done the prime factorization of 54. So what is answer? Our answer: which of the following numbers have been prime factorization? Prime factorization has been done. In which of the following prime factorization has been done? So prime factorization is done in part B and 70. Yes, 70 is also prime factorized. So C, 70 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7, prime factorized. Or you can say that the prime factorization of 56 and 70 is done. Okay, so but prime factorization of 24 is not done and prime factorization of 54 is not done because the factors here are not all primes. This is not a prime number and this is not a prime number. So these two, part A and part D, is not prime factorized. We have not done the prime factorization of these two numbers. Okay, 56 and 70 is prime factorized. Prime factorization of these two numbers is done. Understood? If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives, and also subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the upcoming videos. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.